If you've had a car accident and you've been injured or have any pain at all, one of the very first things you need to make sure to do is go to the doctor. It's important to, first of all, get checked out to see if you have any injuries. And second of all, it's important to get that documented. You need to make sure that you follow any of the doctor's recommendations or treatment plans. It's very important that you do everything that you're supposed to do to help yourself get better. It's also important to keep a document yourself, maybe just a list, writing down any types of symptoms you may have, any feelings of pain, anything that might be important later to help you remember how you were feeling during that time.
Once we start working on a case, there are a few initial things that we do. We first send out a letter to the Department of Motor Vehicle requesting any accident information they may have. We also send letters to the locality of where the accident occurred to gain any information that the locality's officers may have obtained at the time of the accident when they arrived. Some of the information that we get back in response are photos, dash cam videos, and the actual police report and handwritten notes from some law enforcement officer. Once you're done treating for your injuries, we prepare a demand to send to the insurance company. And in that demand includes all of the information regarding your injuries, how the accident happened, and any details that we find that are important to let the insurance company know.
One thing that we hear from many of our clients is that they never expected to hire an attorney. They were actually uncomfortable with the thought of hiring an attorney, but as they got into the problems that they were facing with insurance, they realized that it was too big for them to personally handle. Hiring an attorney does not necessarily mean going to court. Sometimes it does. Sometimes that means that you go through the entire court process. Sometimes it means just negotiating with insurance companies. But that's something that we can take on our shoulders here at Osterbein Law and navigate the process so you don't have to.
We want you to focus on your health, because if you don't have your health, you really don't have anything. And it's our job to make sure that you are reimbursed for your medical expenses, your pain and suffering, your inconvenience, your lost wages, all of those things that make up who you are and what you've experienced through this accident or through this car wreck. We want to make sure that you are compensated for all that, and all the details that go into that are taken care of here at Osterbein Law.